Welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn the basic data management in R. This is the part 2 of this series. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn how to add new variables into an existing data frame. If you remember, in the previous lecture, we had created a basic data frame. Now, let us say if I have to add new variables into that data frame, how do we go ahead? That's what the agenda of today's session is. I'm your instructor Rajesh Durbala. I'm an assistant professor in business analytics and research methodology. Moving ahead. Now let us say in a typical research project, you will need to create new variables and transform the existing ones. Okay. Now this can be easily accomplished by any formation such as variable equals to some kind of an expression, and that expression can be a multiple or a wide array of operators and functions. Okay, so basically there are arithmetic operations and they are basically used for developing formulas, and the most common arithmetic operators that you will use in R are as follows. You can pause the video and make a note of all of them. These are very basic, but you have to just remember these symbols. Moving ahead. Now basic application. Now let's say you have a data frame named my data with variables x1 and x2. Okay, a pre-existing data frame, the name of that data frame is my data, and you have variables x1 and x2 in them, and you want to create a new variable sumx that adds up the two variables x1 and x2, and another variable called meanx that is the average of x1 and x2. Now if you do this in this way, like sumx is equal to x1 plus x2, meanx equals to x1 plus x2 whole divided by 2, then you will definitely get an error. Reason being, R will not recognize that x1 and x2 are a part of the data frame called my data. Okay, so these x1 and x2 technically would be orphaned, so you have to associate them with the data frame called my data. So you have to run a code somewhat like this: sumx equals to first the parent data frame, that is my data, and dollar the column or the variable. Okay, so parent data, okay, the parent data frame, and dollar followed by the variable name, plus again the parent data frame, dollar the variable. Likewise for mean also, the sum divided by 2. Now these statements will definitely succeed in, but you won't get an error. But the problem would be, what you will have is a pre-existing data frame called my data, plus you will have two variables called sumx and meanx, but you won't find these as new variables or new columns in your data frame. Now the actual thing that we wish to do is we want them to be incorporated into my original data frame. Correct? Now how do we do that? Now there are three methods of doing that. Okay, you can follow any of these three methods, but I'll be using this method, the third one. This is my favorite method: my data equals to transform, and in brackets my data comma sum of x1 and x2 comma meanx equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Now why do I prefer this third one? Is it simplifies inclusion, as